Hello everyone, I'm Insirakan Ilham, me as Rosret. Hi everyone, I'm Ayanur Adha, me as Snow White.
Hi everyone, I am Kasapilaska, me as Mother.
Hi everyone, I am Felicia Elviana Tika Fahri, me as Big Bear. Hi everyone, I am Wichida, me as Prince. Hi everyone, I'm Andi Zulfa Masin, me as Dwarf.
Once upon a time, on the edge of a forest, lived a mother in a humble hut. Her husband had long since passed away. This mother had two daughters. The name is Snow White and Rose Red. The two girls were very beautiful and kind-hearted. The animals in the forest loved them. One day, someone knocked on their door. Snow White peeked through the window. It turned out to be a big bear.
We can open the door for a bear. What if it eats us?
What if the bear breaks down the door?
Where will we run?
However, a deep voice came from behind the door.
Don't be afraid. I won't eat you. I'm just cold and want to warm myself by the fire.
Snow White and Rose Red looked at each other. Then they gathered the courage to open their door. Immediately, a big bear entered the house. Shivering from the cold, the two beautiful girls very quickly faded. They hardly brushed the snow from the big bear's fur and invited him to sit by the fireplace to keep warm. From that day on, the two girls became friends with the big bear. They played and danced together. The big bear also accompanied them in gathering wood in the forest. Occasionally, the big bear would go off somewhere, but he always returned. Until one day, the big bear looked sad.
Why? My dear friends, this time I must go and my old restaurant. I have to take care of my inheritance and was stolen by the dwarfs.
Snow White and Rose Red were very sad when the big bear said goodbye. One day, Snow White and Rose Red went to the forest to collect firewood. As it was the rainy season, they found it difficult to find right wings. They kept walking deeper into the forest. As they bent down to pick up some branches, they accidentally discovered a cave.
From my place. Oh my, this is a treasure cave. What are you doing here? You must be space.
Snow White and Rose Red were even more shocked. From inside the cave appeared a bearded dwarf with a fierce face. He was actually the wizard dwarf. He raised both his hands.
I will turn your insult.
Suddenly, the big bear appeared from outside the cave. He immediately attacked the wizard dwarf until he stumbled and finded the big bear. Then pressed Snow White and Rose Red to girls stepped back frightened. The two girls felt relieved, then ran to embrace their friend, but strangely the bear's fur suddenly fell off like a cloud. Snow White and Rose Red were stunned again. Before they knew stood a handsome young man dressed in gold. Before their surprise wore off, the wizard dwarf body suddenly turned to smoke and disappeared from the place. The prince explained to them.
In truth, I am young. This dwarf stole treasure from my place and pushed me into a big bear. Thank you for finding this dwarf, hiding cave, and my treasure. If the dwarf hiding cave is discovered, his magic power will finish immediately.
The prince then built a beautiful house for Snow White, Rose Red, and their mother. Near the palace, they remained friends forever.